Let's talk about this coin that can make 70% profit in a freaking week, and then this idiot decided that he's going to sell it off at 2% profit. Anyway, these are actual pictures from my buddy Steve when he first got into ZIL about a week ago, and it's going to be hard to show on the screen, so I'll circle it. So a day after he got into ZIL, right there, 21.25%, 19.89%. Let's just go through them. I'm going to rate out percentages. I'm not going to go through the whole thing anymore because I'm stupid. ZIL, 30.91%. ZIL, 36.82%. ZIL, 49.55%. ZIL, 69.09%. ZIL, 76.82%.
Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, everybody? I'm O'Price, and welcome to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, crypto hopper, and all that good stuff. We're going to look at the market today. Bitcoin's at 9.3 thousand. Ethereum's at $742. Ripple's at $82, almost, or 82 cents, almost 83 cents. I saw an interesting article about like a class action lawsuit opened up against Ripple for it being a security, but anyway, market's looking pretty healthy. We're having a lot of issues with the sideways movement. It looks like I need to go back and set my crypto hopper settings to my sideways movement so I can get back to being profitable, because right now it's just kind of hanging out and holding some coins. We're waiting for a run. But anyway, 438 billion market cap, 36.5% Bitcoin dominance. Now, ZIL. We're going to talk about ZIL. Yes, my buddy Steve did buy ZIL, and then he's up. He hasn't sold it yet. He's still hanging on to this damn coin, and he's at 79% profit. Now, I currently bought into it yesterday at 1,400 Satoshis. It's going to be back on a run here shortly, so I'm hoping I didn't miss the ball, but they're saying ZIL is going to be at a $1 to $2 range by the end of 2018. So let me go ahead and show you something stupid in my trade history before we get into the breakdown of this coin. Now, when my buddy told me to buy this coin, I did. And I bought it when he was at about 20% profit. Like, he bought it one day, the next day he's at 20% profit. So yeah, I bought it on 423. He bought it on 422. I ended up selling mine at 1.19%. I forgot, I didn't turn off a setting that I just discovered. So I was really, really stupid. And this is going to turn into more of a crypto hopper tutorial. Anyway, so yeah, this 1.919%, he went from 20% to 79% profit now. So imagine all that I could have made. 70% profit on 1,000 tokens. I'm an idiot. So what I have learned, though, I have learned my lesson, and I bought myself, look at that, we're now profit. I bought myself 1.7 thousand tokens. I went into info. I don't know if this is available on Hare or Bunny subscriptions, but if you want the Kangaroo subscription, I have this option to where I can click on info on the coin right here on the side, and I can go and turn this little option on to hold position. I could set it at the percentage that I want the coin individually to sell, rather than mixing up my settings in my configurations, and I can get a whole breakdown on the coin and everything. So that's a pretty nifty little tool, and that's what I've done. I put it on hold position so I don't sell it, and I want to see if I can get to that 70% profit. Yay! Anyway, what exactly is ZIL? Let's take a look at it here on CoinMarketCap real quick. This token is not mineable. It's not proof of stakeable. It is currently, let me see, at least to my knowledge, I don't see any opportunity for it here with CoinMarketCap. There is currently a 7.2 billion circulating supply with a 12.6 billion total supply. The coin is currently worth 13 cents or 1,400 Satoshis, and that's where I purchased the coin as well. And it is number 30 in the coin market cap, which is pretty interesting because it hasn't been out very long. As of, I think it came out at the beginning of 2018. Yeah, January 25th of 2018 when it was listed on CoinMarketCap, and then immediately shot to 30th. This is a very popular coin in the Ratacoin Telegram group that I'm in. This is probably their number one. If you're interested in joining this Telegram signal group just to get some signals from some friends and some people, there's a link in the description below. There's a free and a premium, and you can see here that I'm part of both. But this is Ratacoin's number one coin for 2018 as well. So what exactly is the coin? Let's just go over a little bit of the website. I'm not, hugely technical on it. I'm just going to read a couple of things that I see here, and you're going to be able to read the white paper on your own as well. But this is basically, let's go ahead and do the white paper, and I'm just going to read the introduction. They have a very fancy white paper, very detailed, very broken down into exactly what it is. It's 14 documents all the way down to algorithms and their formulas of their contract. So let's go up just to read the introduction of the white paper. That's a little extensive if I read anything else. Excuse me. So, existing cryptocurrencies and smart contracts platforms are known to have scalability issues, i.e. the number of transactions they are capable of processing per second is limited, usually less than 10. As the number of applications utilizing public cryptocurrencies and smart contract platforms grow, the demand for processing high transaction rates in the order of hundreds of thousands of transactions is increasing. So here we have our problem. This is our problem, is that scalability of the cryptocurrencies is getting harder. The more people with their hands in the pot, the more transactions are going through, the higher the fees. So already Zilliqa, I think it's like Zilliqa or something. If someone give me the little broken down pronunciation on how to say this coin, because I'm probably butchering it. So here we have our problem, scalability. So in this work, we present Zilliqa, a new blockchain platform that is designed to scale in transaction rates. As the number of miners in Zilliqa, okay, so I guess we do have a mining option for Zilliqa, and I could potentially teach how to mine that here in the near future if I can do some research on it. Increases in transaction rates are expected to increase. At Ethereum's present network size of 30,000 miners, Zilliqa would expect to process about 1,000 times the transaction rates of Ethereum. So it's going to be able to process more transactions than Ethereum. I think that's why the popularity of this coin is going off. The cornerstone in Zilliqa design is the idea of sharding. I just sharded all over the place. Dividing the mining network into smaller shards, each capable of processing transactions in parallel. So they're designed to, the coin is going to be designed to address the issue of scaling and transactions and everything going up a lot higher. They do have a testnet with their Block Explorer and their wallet. I haven't poked around too much on that. And then as we scroll down a little bit more, a couple things in the news. They have partnerships with a couple of these platforms here. There's about 2,488 transactions going on with 6 shards, 3,600 nodes. And let's see here. Kind of like a little step-by-step of their white paper with their information. They have YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, email, Telegram, which I have to join the Telegram team to get some more information on. So it's I'm giving you a very quick rundown of the coin, not like something too great. Here's the transaction information. Looks like a very nifty, speedy coin. Number of transactions on the blocks, 4,675. So very interesting coin. It looks like it does have a very strong purpose that it's trying to, or a very strong problem that it's trying to resolve. But in the past week, this coin has gone crazy on my buddy, and it's looking like it's making some moves today. So hopefully it pushes us up past that 10% profit. Anyway, excuse me. Still recovering from a cold. I do want to apologize again if I miss any videos this week, guys. I'm preparing for my birthday on Friday. I might not do one here and there. I'm going to try to do my live stream on Wednesday, as you guys know. Crypto Hopper, very happy with the platform. Give you a quick breakdown. As of right now, I have 0.1 Bitcoin invested in Binance, which is making the trades. And you could see that my starting balance was 0.08. And that was when I adjusted the settings to where they are. As of right now, my total assets is 0.79. I am up a little bit from when I've adjusted the settings, but if all of these red numbers down here became green, I would have 0.1 Bitcoin, and that's the highest I've ever had personally. I started with 0.06, so I'm borderline doubling the Bitcoin with Crypto Hopper. Very happy with the platform. Right now, the market is in a holding situation, which is why I have some reds, but we don't see anything extreme like -10 or -15. So it's just my portfolio. Instead of having this on blockchain or portfolio or in an app, this is my portfolio on Binance, and my Crypto Hopper will trade if there's any moves if I'm not paying attention. So I absolutely love this platform. Sign up in the link down below. You'll get a free bunny trial 30-day subscription. I have previous videos about what that exactly gets you with the perfect settings for that, and I can do another one here in the future. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. I'm getting a little long-winded. Thank you for subscribing, liking, all that good stuff. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment on the video, leave a like. If you have ZIL, if you have a bag of that, let me know. Let me know how to pronounce it correctly. All that good stuff. And anything you'd like me to do in the future as well, let me know, because I'm just going to keep talking about Crypto Hopper because I freaking love it. So I'm Mo Prius, and we'll see you guys next time.